Today we want to talk about the idea of private comments on Seshat-DB.com. If you want to access private comments, you first need an account on Seshat-DB.com. If you don't have the necessary permissions, contact us via email so that we can grant you access.
Once you have access, follow these steps. Click on Logging at the top right of the page. Go on and enter your email and password, then sign in. Once logged in, you will see your profile name or email at the top right. Hover over it and click to access your profile page. On your profile page, you will see different types of comments. Open comments that need your attention. These are comments where someone has mentioned you or assigned a task to you. Comments you have made. These are private comments you have contributed that others may respond to. Closed comments are the ones that are related to past discussions that have been resolved and marked as done. You most probably want to click on full discussion for any comment thread that you are interested in or needs your attention, and then you can view the existing comments and reply to the conversation if needed.
On this page, you can see which variable this discussion is about, whether this has been expert reviewed yet or not, the public description for this variable, and also all the private comments, if there are any.
When you are mentioned in a comment, you can reply by clicking on the box where you can add your private comment. You should then type your response in the text box, mentioning other researchers or experts if needed. Note that you can add multiple researchers or Seshat experts to the list here. All these people will be notified immediately on their profile pages. And at the end, you click on Insert Private Comment to submit your response. You will see your comment being added to the list of comments immediately. Keep in mind that these comments are private, which means they will only be seen by selected Seshat researchers and experts.
You can also see the same private comment under the corresponding polity page. If you click on this polity page here, and then on the polity page scroll down to where you can see the coded variable for which we have the private comment, you can also see those private comments here. You can click on Add your private comment to see the page with the detailed discussion and add another comment. Note that we can add Seshat experts who have an account and have been given the right permissions here in this box as well.
Marking comments as done. Once a discussion is resolved, click on the small box here. Select Set Done to close the discussion. This specific comment will turn gray, which indicates that it no longer requires attention. The rest of the conversation is still valid and needs somebody's attention. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more guides on using Seshat-DB.com.